Can't even see if this is going because I'm practically blind without my glasses. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't. But anyways, I hope it is. We have bigger fish to fry because President Trump just announced a $500 billion AI project called Stargate. And in this video, I want to talk about what Stargate is. I want to talk about what Stargate is, how it's going to change the AI landscape as well as the business landscape, and why I think starting an AI integration agency this year would probably be the best thing you could do, why I'm going to, and why I think you should do it as well. My name is Ariz. I'm a computer science student currently pursuing a degree in AI. So I've been in this space for a while now, but I'm by no means an expert on this. I just think that this information could greatly change someone's life. So I usually just put it out there for whoever wants to use it. All right, what is the Stargate project? So President Trump recently announced that he was going to be spending $500 billion on an AI project. This project is a collaboration between OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, and the investment firm MGX. And the initial phase, which has already started, like it's already going, it's $100 billion into constructing AI data centers in Texas. And they plan later on to expand to other states. There's a couple of things that are going to happen as a result of this. Firstly is the massive investment. So 100 billion is a lot of money. And so the data centers are going to be state of the art, which is going to put the US at the forefront of AI development and ethical use and ethical research using AI. This is probably because of China's DeepSeek, which competes directly with ChatGPT, and it's way cheaper than ChatGPT. And I've used it myself. And if you haven't, you should try use it. It's quite powerful as well, really good. And this is China directly competing with the US. So this investment is going to ensure that the US maintains a competitive edge against China and other international players in AI. Job creation is also a big thing because they're expecting over 100,000 jobs to be created, which will fuel tech growth, but also things like AI research, data scientists, construction workers, and anybody who's in the tech field will have an opportunity to get in while these data centers are being created and also while they're being operated. Well, I think there's like three major ways that the AI landscape will be shifted because of this. Number one is increased innovation speed. So this is a huge influx of funding and collaboration from huge firms, which I mentioned earlier. The breakthroughs that are going to happen in AI are going to happen way quicker than before. And before it was pretty fast before. Like think about ChatGPT that we got initially and think about the ChatGPT that we have now. Like the one we have now is ridiculously powerful compared to that one, and it's already quick, but it's going to be way faster because they're investing hundreds of billions into it. Secondly is new infrastructure. So not only the data centers, which will provide the backbone for training advanced AI models and enabling incredibly powerful systems to operate, and like the way that AI can analyze data and the way it can synthesize information, the way that it can generate information, the way LLMs can understand humans, is all going to be done on a huge scale and extremely efficiently because of new infrastructure. But not just that, but also the digital infrastructure that will come because of this. AI will become available to so many more people, which brings me to the third way that the landscape will change. That is accessibility and price. So this will lower the barriers to entry. So small businesses and large businesses will both have equal access to AI. Even startups, you'll have access to AI. You'll be able to integrate AI into your operations and level the playing field, which we'll get to why I think then because of this, starting an AI agency is a good thing this year, but not the general automation agency, but rather an AI integration agency, which I'll come to at the end of the video. Before we get there, we'll talk about the impact on business. So for business, this means two things. In my opinion, it means two things. One, opportunity, and two, urgency. Companies that are able to adapt to AI will see increased efficiency like never before. You'll have better customer insights. You'll be more profitable. You'll have selective marketing. You'll have better customer segmentation. You're gonna have increased ability to forecast your sales. These are all things that are gonna happen. So that's opportunity. Urgency is because those that don't do this are going to fall behind. You cannot compete with a firm that has employees but also has integrated AI into every step of the process. So for example, AI is currently transforming the e-commerce industry. Predictive algorithms can personalize shopping experiences in real time. You can have a shopper on your store get recommended products that actually make sense for them to buy because you have a predictive algorithm which is watching everything they put in their cart and everything they buy, and so the next time they come back to the store they get personalized recommendations. It's crazy. So this drives up sales in real time and customer satisfaction way higher. The fourth thing is why I am gonna start an AI systems integration agency. So I'm gonna again break it into threes. High demand, low competition. Like for now, there's low competition, and it's a scalable business model. There's a lot of AI automation agencies out there right now, but AI integration agency, not so much. You have a lot of people who will sell a make workflow or an N8N workflow. And if you don't know what that is, it's in the last video. But there's not many people right now who are able to go into a business, break it down, look at the business process and put an AI system into place that doesn't break. An AI system that actually runs, not an agent, but a system. And so as businesses right now are scrambling to figure out how do I adopt AI, they need somebody to guide them through this process, which creates huge demand for people who can do AI integration services. You can talk about strategy, you can do training, you can do consultations, however you want to do it. But AI integration is going to be a big thing. The third one is it's scalable. So once you've finished and you've done a few businesses, so you have a few case studies, scaling your agency is straightforward as scaling any other kind of agency. You just go out there, you show people, I've done it for this person, here's the proof, I can do it for you, and then you give some kind of guarantee. Why I think you should do it is for those reasons, yes, but I'll give you three more. One is you don't even need to be a developer. So I'm a comp sci student, so I know how to code and all that, but you don't need to be a developer. You don't. There are so many no-code AI tools out there that you can use. So get learning with N8N and make agents, but then get into systems. So systems would be, you need to be able to combine AI agents. You need to be able to understand that not every business has the same model. And there's some that are different. And in those cases, you need to be able to link your agents together so that they can do systemized work. So developer or not, you can do it. Number two, it's future proof. Like this is only gonna grow. If you get in now, then you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Number three, I think you can make a real impact. You can help a business to transition into AI. But more than that, you increase their bottom line, you increase customer experiences, you increase employee satisfaction. You can have great, real positive impact on the world, on businesses, if you learned AI systems and if you became an AI system integration expert and launched an agency. I think you should do it. I think you should. So there you have it. Stargate project, game changer for AI and business. And if you've been thinking about starting your own business or diving into the world of AI, now is the time. If there's just one thing I hope you take away from this video, it's don't wait. Do not wait. Like, don't wait. We should have been buying property when we were busy with preschool, but right now we're at the forefront of this new revolution. It's very rare to be at the center of something that you know is going to just get bigger. So if you're watching this right now to learn something, then the world needs more people like you. So learn more and do more and tell more people, like not about me, but like about, you know, the opportunity here. And if you're lost on where to start, then there's a link in the description to a Google Doc. Whether you're a developer or you're not, it's a roadmap on how to get started learning AI agents to AI systems. It's all in the doc. It's free. It's right there. And if there's enough feedback, I will be more than happy to share my strategy for how I plan to launch the AISI agency and take you guys through the whole journey. Okay, that's it from me right now, and I'll catch you in the next one.